culture and tradition have again taken center stage in Wukari, Taraba State, as the Jukun Youth Development Association revives a unifying heritage across the Kwararrafa Kingdom. The event brought together sons and daughters of Jukun Nation, alongside friends, well-wishers, and tourists from across the country in a vibrant display of culture and unity. Taraba State Governor Dr. Abu Kefas, who is a proud son of the Jukun Nation, used the occasion to urge young people to channel their energy into productive ventures for a better future.
You are too valuable to be wasted on hatred. Instead, build businesses, acquire skills, lead communities, protect your heritage, and uplift one another.
Highlight of the event include the coronation of traditional title holders and the presentation of awards to distinguished sons and daughters of the kingdom. Cultural dances and the exhibition of traditional cuisine added color to the celebration.
Next in line to receive this award.
It's Jukun Wapa cake. We call it aso. It's a fast food.
The Akuka of Wukari, Yotomanu Ishaku Adali, commended the youth for their unity and commitment to preserving their cultural identity. He also appreciated Governor Kefas for his continuous support in promoting Jukun traditions.
My dear youth, you are the bridge between our proud past and our promising future. I urge you to uphold peace, respect our traditions, and embrace unity above division. I commend the state government for its support in sustaining this treasured tradition.
The royal father further encouraged newly conferred traditional title holders to sustain the values and responsibilities associated with their positions. Earlier, the representative of the chairman of the occasion, Senator Dr. Simon Bakolalon, welcomed guests and declared the event open. The new away of Jukun, Right Honorable Mark Bako Hussein, speaking on behalf of newly conferred title holders, expressed appreciation to the Akuka of Wukari and the Traditional Council for finding them worthy of the honor.
I would like to express our profound gratitude to our Father, His Majesty, the Akuka, for finding us worthy of this great honor that He has bestowed on all of us.
In separate remarks, Senator David S. Jimkuta, Senator representing Taraba South, and the chairman of Wukari Local Government Council, Honorable Bala Husseini, called for unity among the people, reaffirming their commitment to the preservation of Jukun culture and the Kwararrafa heritage.
And also let me thank the initiator of this association. I round about and I adopt all the idea and the initiatives that give birth to these cultural activities.
Celebration of cultural diversity, talent, unity of purpose, tradition, and youthful energy. As we bring the Jukun Youth Cultural Day 2026 to conclusion, our hearts are full of gratitude for everyone who made this event a resounding success.
As cultural activities continue to promote peace, unity, and economic growth across the nation, Jukun Youth Day remains a significant event in the Kwararrafa Kingdom, playing a vital role in preserving and revitalizing the rich cultural heritage of the Jukun people. From Wukari, Kamal Hamado reporting for Nexus Channel.